everybody, welcome back to another video. Today, wait, hold up. Gravel Gaming was supposed to be here. Where is he? Hello? Oh,
Hi.
hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're here with Gravel Gaming once again, and today we're
Wait, guys, hold up. So, my birthday is coming up in about 2 months, and my friend was kind enough to give me the current bundle, the whatever hair, I don't remember.
Delta.
And then, yeah, the Delta hair, and then yeah, I got a new fit.
Just so you know, this wasn't me. So,
yeah.
Anyways, we're actually going to be heading down into the office to dupe something. I not dupe, but like, yeah, dupe. I don't know. But I don't know what we're gonna do or use in the machine.
Oh yeah, you want to see something I yoinked in a pub?
Yeah.
Alright, hold up.
That's crazy. Hold up, I actually have one. I have a briefcase. Should we just dupe that?
I mean, sure.
Alright. Wait, don't you have a time bomb? Do colored items work?
Yeah. Pretty sure.
Alright. Anyways, I got the briefcase, so I'm gonna go.
Oh wait, you know what we should do?
Do you need me to buy you stuff real fast?
I just need a grapple.
There you go. Bro, this is so heavy. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Help me! Briefcases are too heavy, bro. Why are they so heavy?
Should we do something else?
Nah, bro. We need to dupe this. It's for the greater good.
Hold up, my friend might join.
Alright. Which one?
I don't really want to join, but he's probably going to anyway. He was calling me, and that means he's gonna join.
Look at how heavy I am. I'm not even really up. I'm basically touching the floor.
Yeah, you might be cooked.
I pretty much am. Ow. I'm cooked, bro. Look at this. Look at this. I am so cooked, bro. This
yeah, Larry's just gonna go. He's just gonna go like this.
Oh yeah, by the way, the briefcase I feel like is kind of, in a sense, a weird glow stick backpack. I don't know why. It just feels that way, you know?
Yeah, like a backpack that can't open. But yeah, like, just by the way, like, no hate comments, guys, because he's already having a pretty bad day, and we don't want to make it worse.
Yeah. Alright,
I mean, I know this video is probably not gonna get like a ton of views, but still.
Hold up, keycard. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna go throw this in the machine, and then I'm gonna actually go grab an egg, okay? Because apparently,
why an egg?
Because those fill up both of the bars fully, with just one.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Hold up, let me go grab it.
Help me. Help me. Oh my god, thank you. Wait, are you grabbing the egg? Wait, are you grabbing the egg?
Yeah, I'm just gonna go grab it real quick.
Alright. Come on. Hurry up. What the is this like the mop? Is this the mod mop hat? This is the moderator mop hat, I thought. Yeah, looks like it. Bro.
But like an actual egg or an RPG ammo egg?
Like an actual Easter egg.
Oh, okay.
got.
Yeah. You know. Hold up, I'm gonna be cooked. Larry's on me.
Don't worry, I got you.
He's like, holy shit.
Why is there just casually a floating mop?
That's what I said.
What's up, brother?
Oh, fuck. God, bro. Hold up. We gotta find the machine.
Oh, this is Duck Hunt.
Yes! Go!
I'm gonna go fill up the bar.
Hold up. Don't do it yet. Alright, now do it. Oh, that's so satisfying. Wait,
Oh, that is amazing.
did you grab a key card, by the way?
Yeah, I have one.
Hold up, hold up. Alright, don't do it yet. Did it not give us anything?
It gave us nothing.
Bro. What? I give up.
Is that like your own suitcase?
Yeah. That's crazy. Anyways, now we're gonna grab the bag.
Seeing that dark is terrifying.
Wait, what if we had a galaxy teleportation grenade? Galaxy hoverboard.
No, hoverboards are not worth it. Just trust.
Get Galaxy RPG.
Here, can you get me? Wait, hold up.
I got an
No,
RPG.
not that RPG. Not that RPG.
Oh yeah.
This one.
Oh yes. We got
Hold
it.
up. First of all,
Put it in my bag. Put it in my bag.
boop. Yeah, I need a grappler.
I bet. You got the egg, right?
Here, I'm gonna grab that. Still, here, I'm gonna buy another RPG just in case it gives us nothing.
Yeah, that's smart. And I'll grab. Should I grab an egg? Actually,
Yeah,
I'm alright. I got it.
right here. Just, do you want it in your bag or do you?
You carry those. I'll carry the RPG.
I am.
I'll carry
halfway-
the other
Oh, I'm
RPG.
fine. Okay, never mind.
I'll carry the other RPG. That way you're not as heavy.
You're just.
You know, why not? That means
Here, why
also
don't we
get-
both carry an RPG and an egg?
No, we're good. We each carry
Here,
one.
you take an egg and RPG. Okay.
Okay.
No, like both of these, and I have an RPG and an egg as well.
Yeah, I have an egg. Hold up. Oh, there we go.
Oh, you. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Yes, take that. Alright,
So,
now we gotta
let
find
me-
2 key cards.
Wait, I think I have 2 in my stack.
Really? What?
So I was playing in a pub one time,
Yeah?
and then some dude was giving a giveaway of like a ton of hook shots. And so a bunch of people took a couple and then put them on their hip slots and whatnot. But me, I grabbed a blue bag and there was like 17 and I picked all of them up.
That's
And they were like, bro, you big bag, stop taking all the grapplers. I was like, hell
Big
no,
back is crazy.
I found one.
I bet. I'll find him. Found one.
Alright.
Head towards the machine now. Yo, I'm right behind you.
Yeah, look at this. Why is it floating?
It was like Holy fuck.
That scared me a little bit. I mean, a little bit.
Yo, did you throw in the stuff?
No, just throw in the egg RPG.
Looks like you already did.
No, because the lights aren't on.
Oh, it looks like they are. There we go. Hold up. Don't do it yet. All right, do it in 3. Oh shoot! I'm gonna throw the key card. I'm gonna throw the key card in 3, 2,
Shove them all in my bag.
1.
We got 3.
Alright, let's dump them out real quick over here.
Hold up.
Let's see what we get. Oh yes! Oh!
Dude, no, hey. My money, my pig. My money, my pig. Thank you.
Then I get the
And,
next. I get the next stuff.
oh, I want this one. That has a pink egg.
Bro, where's my
Here,
key
should we
card?
do the dragon RPG as well?
Yeah, I thought that's what we were doing. Oh yeah, you have a key card. I forgot. I realized. No. What?
I just threw my absolutely huge RPG in there, but it's fine.
Plug. Oh, your other one.
That's mine. Let's take it a tinier one.
All right, it's full. Throw the key card in 3. Oh.
In 3, but it be boom, bum boom.
Oh, this green one. I want this, please. Yo,
Well, can I have that one? Because I lost my big one.
yeah, it's fine. Hold up. Don't take that one. Don't take that one. I got that big one. See, look at that.
Here, you can have that. I think this tiny one. Alright, do we just quit our games or do we actually make it back?
We actually have. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one.
Oh my god! Oh! Necklace! Yeah!
We gotta make it back with these, bro. These are sick.
Do we just quit the game or do we actually make it back?
We actually gotta make it back.
Well, what if we die, bro?
If one of us dies, then we get revived by the other.
I was on the ground and it scared me.
Love.
Yo, hold up, don't you dare. Oh, we're gonna get TP to the duck lines.
We are. How did you? Honestly, I don't care. Hey, what's happening?
Careful. Don't worry. Don't worry, little ghosty. Come here. No, come here. Come on, revive.
Yes.
Go.
One second, so. Blow. 3, 2, 1. Elevator is leaving.
Dude, did you actually?
Yep. I'm stuck. No. Help me. Kill me. Kill me. That's what has to be done. Oh, I'm good. Oh my god, bro. Gotta grab him. I'm just...
Yo, by the way,
Thank you all for watching. I don't know. Have a great rest of your day, and peace, guys. See ya. That's crazy.